Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota Sienna cabin air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. You'll need a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. The cabin air filter is typically located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient for you. Now, let's open the glove compartment. Open it all the way, then gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the small plastic stops that hold it in place. Once released, the glove compartment will swing down further, giving you clear access to the cabin air filter housing located directly behind it. It's a straightforward step. With the glove compartment lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small retaining clips on the cover. Unclip these. Then, gently pull the cover straight off to reveal the old filter inside. Carefully slide the old cabin air filter out of its slot. Take a moment to observe its condition. You might be surprised by how much debris it has collected. Before installing the new filter, notice the airflow direction arrows printed on its side. It's crucial to install it correctly. Slide the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the arrows point in the direction of the airflow, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Replace the housing cover, re-engage the glove box stops by pushing the sides back in, and then close the glove compartment. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.